meghalayapost.news.
General Secretary ke khasi Student Union KSU samla Ruben Najar ulapan tip bagaseng kandang betengia ke Jingïakhih Da Kaba Ïaid Paidbah Shong Kyllainmongor hakar poi tarik unailar hakandailan habakaran skilal patai khubor hadin karali arshaka samla Ruben ulang baka KSU kalashim yagni ke sienjam hadin baka Jingïakhih ya sarkar kalakutno usamla Ruben ulayathu bahadu menta baka sarkar kampat peniksa syakaseng bakan shim ki sienjam halor kisan telikimat balapan sengau syaka sarkar menta kasengi ke Jingïakhih rali herengkat Kyllainmongor kapen iya ke jing persya ke sorkar keberang sengap menti halor santali kimat baga KSU kelapen sengau syaka sorkar usamla Ruben ulayathu bahakar poi tarik unailar ke KSU kan penlong da Jingïakhih Paidbah najayau hadu kendailat pad onboard sa Jingïakhih Da Kaba Shong Kyllainmongor kumkini ki Jingïakhih kindang betengman kesengi tat hadu baga sorkar kan sengap bad penurlong igi santali kimat baga KSU keladapan pensengau syaka sorkar.
15 days ultimatum has already ended yesterday. We have made it clear that the 5 demands that we have made, that the union have made out to the government on the 3rd of August. Till date, we have not received any compliance with our demands as of yet. And today, we have organized a black flag bike rally. The black flag indicates we condemn the government that it is silent on the demands that the union has made out. And on the 21st of August, we'll be having another agitation. That is, we'll be having a rally from Jingïakhih, from the office of the KSU Union in Jingïakhih, and there will be a sit-in demonstration in Kandailat. And these agitations and protests will continue day by day until unless all our demands, the 5 demands that have made that the union have set to the government, is made out. Reports of what?
Yes.
I am not aware of such incident because the rally has just ended and we were in the forefront. So if there's any kind of violence, then from the union side we will not condone that, because we have strictly reiterated to all our volunteers, to all our members, not to create any law and order situation, because this is a peaceful rally, and we will see to it, because as of now I have not seen anything, or I have not received any kind of report as of yet.
meghalayapost.news